Hello, everybody, and welcome to another Satisfactory Designs. Wait, why is this thing in the way? How are they supposed to see the billboard? And in today's video, we're going to do something fun and stupid. I know. Isn't everything fun and stupid? Well, today's even more so. We're going to make ourselves a nice little platform for the hub. So the hub is pretty great, but most people just have it kind of like tossed on the ground. Here, let's pick it up and let's go off into the stars. Whee! So most people take their hub and they just kind of toss it on the ground and just leave it there, which is great, fine, and dandy if you want to do something like that. But I want to make like a simple, nice little design. So if I had my hub, I can have it on something that looks a little bit better. So check this out. I figure you guys would love to see this. So if you go and grab a regular foundation and kind of just put it out there. Now I'm using mods just to build a little bit faster for you. And we go about 4 ways out. We got this right here, which is not bad, not bad. Then we'll do another 4. And we'll grab the 2-meter one, and we'll put that one right here and here. Now, what we can do is we can get rid of all this. I mean, I didn't have to put this much out there, but, you know, why not? Now we're going to grab the pillar top, and we're going to basically put that out there as well. So basically now it looks like it's kind of like hydraulic system going on top of it. And if you want, you can also take the pillar base, and you can basically put that going back. So it basically looks like a hydraulic system that goes up here. And then all you got to do is take your lovely hub. Come here, little buddy. And we're going to put our hub on here. Now, granted, you're going to try and go for the center, but if you can get it right like so, I think that's pretty much the center. As you can see, this little part right here kind of is the center, whereas this hangs off anyway and kind of screws everybody over. But that can't be it, right? That can't be the whole thing. No. Watch this. Now, if we go over to the organization, and you guys got the stairs, right? Right, that's a thing. Now, we're going to put the left stairs out on here. Then we're going to take the right stairs, and we're going to put those out here. Now, let's extend this out just for some fun. There we go. Now let's go back into organization and we're going to take the walkway ramp. This will take care of our nice little middle part for each and every one of that. So that's kind of good right there, but we need to basically get rid of that little hole. The walkway crossway is perfect for that. And basically this is the one that I use in my current setup. So just a nice little one like that, where basically what you can do is you can come out here and you're just basically walking down some stairs. So it's nice, simple, and of course you can throw some fences over on the side. So we're going to make sure those are planted the right way. And basically those can go all around perfectly. Then all we got to do is probably add some lights. I mean, we can probably get some lights on here. Where's some good ones? Now, granted, I know the floodlights would be great, but you probably have to put those on the side. What you could do is you could put some street lights, especially with the way that this goes right here. It kind of locks into place right in the middle like so. So you can actually have a street light going pretty much down there like that. Doesn't that look kind of cool? And you can have them basically just shoved in there if you want. Now, I like the street lights like this, but unfortunately, it does kind of exit on the door, and then you're running up here and trying to go in, and you're hitting a light, which is no bueno. Which you can always take these 2 center ones and just leave the outer ones like that. Now that's a nice simple build. That's really cool. Kind of like a common build that you could build anywhere. And it keeps your base looking like really good and really compact. Next up, so let's say this nice little setup right here is not good enough. Because what you want to build is grand. You want to build something huge, something to the stars. Well, I actually have another one that I love using for bigger builds. It's the one that I'm going to be using for my other build once I get into building my nice little cathedral thing. Oh, wait, I said too much. But anyway, to build this one, what you want to do is you want to take the foundation of the glass foundation, and you're going to go over 4. Okay, and you're gonna go up 6. So this is going to be your basis for that. And we can get rid of this nice little thing right here. Now this is the setup of how we're going to do that. We're going to grab the hub and we're just going to put the hub right on here. So what I like to do is put it in the middle, and then if I'm facing backwards, so that would be my building right there, behind me would be what I want to look at. I would basically put my hub down right in the middle like so, with the nice little ship facing that direction. Now of course, like I said, this is like the metal part that we don't care about. Evenly, it looks even like right like so. So now that your hub is on there, what do you do for the rest of it? Well, you're going to start by going into your foundations, and you're going to grab the nice 1 meter up corner, and you're going to basically put that right there in the middle, as well as this side in the middle. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be building what's called a fractal pattern. Okay, so it's going to look like something like a snowflake kind of thing. Next up, grab a down corner, and you're going to basically put that right here. And of course, another one on the other side. And you're going to do one here. Make sure it's all perfect. Sometimes it's hard to see when you're putting it down. And then, boom. Easy peasy. So basically, now it's kind of like cut in. And it's really cool because now you can basically walk up and have like a cool pattern. Also, you can change this pattern as you like to whatever you think is cool. So play with it. See what you come up with. But I'm going to take the other corner thing, and I'm going to put it right here and here. Okay. One right here and one right mirror. Then I'm going to grab the down corner again. I'm going to put one here and here. So some of you are seeing what I'm doing so far. I get it. You're going to be like, oh, I got this. Then we're going to take the corner again, and we're going to put one here, and we're going to put one here. Same thing on the other side, and we're basically good to go. All right, so once you get that, you just have one more piece of the puzzle, and that is the little down corners for this area to finish that off, and a down corner for this area. Now, you could continue it going further down if you had something else, actually go in and get the nice 1 meter ramp, but that could be finishing off right there. Then all you gotta do is you gotta take some 1 meter foundations, put 3 of them right there, 3 of them right there, and the last corner as well. There you go. Now you have your nice little thing. It looks like it's on like one of those somber sloops. And it fits nice and perfectly. And you can do some other little decorating tips as well. You can go into the organization. You can grab yourself a nice little radar tower. Maybe put a couple radar towers on the corners, to showcase that. You can also actually go into foundations, and you can grab the pillar tops, put like a pillar top kind of here. You can even put one like right like so. And if I do recall, you should be able to put a middle pillar right in there. So it looks like it's going through. So you can do tons of stuff like that, put stuff on top of it. However you want to decorate the top, it's pretty much up to you. And you can also play with the pattern to see what you like. But this is like if you're doing a huge building and you have a lot of open space. This is something really great for that. And then, of course, with the glass foundations on the bottom, you have plenty of places to move around. And then, of course, for the foundations on that, you can actually just fill in the bottom section like so, and you're pretty much good to go. And with the whole thing done like this is actually only like a 2 meter foundation for the whole set. So it's actually pretty thin, depending on how you want to do it. And then if you want, you can grab stuff like a bigger foundation, put those on the edges. So you have the big foundation on the edge like that. And then you can do something like maybe grab, I don't know, the upside down 2 meter ramp. Grab that and have that going across. And you can have this underneath here like so. You could also build the same similar pattern underneath. So if you wanted to go in and you had the upside down 1 meter ones, or because this is thicker, you could actually switch over to the upside down 2 meter ones, and then you can kind of build the same pattern underneath. And with the pattern being on top, a little bit easier to see, you can actually build it quite quicker. Look at that, easy peasy. I mean, it just kind of builds itself at that point. And of course, we'll take the big foundations and we'll hide all that other little stuff underneath. So it looks like it's a giant foundation that you carved out of there to have your nice little hub on. So there we go with that on top, as well as a nice cool pattern on the bottom, and you're set to go. So this is great. So you can have a nice little simple setup such as this, or you can have a grander setup. It really depends on kind of how you want to do it, like what kind of setup you're looking for, which you can build another hub on there to showcase both of them at the same time. But that's going to be it. This is just a fun little stupid episode, just so you guys can see like some of the cool little stuff, you know, because like having your hub set up to be designed special or anything like that, it really is something that's like on you to do. Like it's how you feel about your build. You want everything to look good? Well, here's something fun you can do. Well, I hope this was entertaining and fun. If you do like it, don't forget to give it a like. Comment down on anything else you'd like me to design. I am working on a tier 5 and 6 build for the compact and mega bay, so keep an eye out for that. Sorry it's taking so long, but that is way more complicated to make simplified than you might actually think. But anyway, that's going to be it for me, you guys. You have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Hooray!